Hey, good morning guys from Youngstown, Ohio. This is Tim Lauer with R&R Truck Centers, and I have an awesome truck that I have in here that is sold, but I wanted to show you a nice combination. It's just a awesome, I'm gonna swear, it's a kick-ass truck. I just love this thing going down the road. It has such an impact, and I think it's a great option for in the city where it's tight spaces. You need a good turning radius with a 26-foot box. So this is the FTR, so it's rated at 25,950 pounds. It has the Allison 2550 RDS transmission, so it does come with a park paw. So just like your car, you'll have a park paw that you can put the shifter in, and it does have air brakes, so you have to do the service brake lock when you park. And it comes with the Cummins 6.7 260 horsepower motor. So one of the most common, actually I think almost the only one now in the medium duty sector because of emissions. So this has a 100-gallon fuel tank. So if you need some long hauls, this is the one for you. I'll show you in the cab here real quick. But I did spec this with the optional seat covers. To me, it adds some comfort to the ride, helps protect the regular seats. So there is a lot of storage behind the seat. It's pretty awesome. So that's where your triangle kit and fire extinguisher. This is spec'd with the 7-inch touchscreen radio, so it does have a backup camera. Morgan 26-foot body, so this is 103 high, 102 wide, and 26-foot long. Leaf spring suspension. And why I want to do this video, this is a truck that I don't always get in very often. This is a Maxon combination gate. So it has the Maxon GPT-3 gate in combination with a walk ramp. So the model is actually a GPT WR3. So the GPT is the gate, WR stands for walk ramp, and 3 stands for 3,000 pound lift capacity on an 80 by 60 platform. 16-foot runner ramp. I will split the video. I'll show you what, this is the ramp pulled out. I figured I'd save some time. And there's some other cool options in here. Now I spec this with the 16-inch scuff plate on the walls. 4 rows of E-track, which, you know, it does add to the cost of the box, but if you need it, you need it. On the inside, they have some really cool string lights that if you want to see at night, that's the way to go. Does it add some cost to the body? It does. There are some other options that we could do locally, but you know, this is Morgan's setup. It is very nice. I believe there's another one on top there, but yeah, but I can't see it right now. Okay, so I'll keep filming and we'll start down at the ground here again. Just wanted to show where the walk ramp clips in. I'm a huge fan of the lift assist, because if you're by yourself, you know, it's kind of a tough grab and a little hard to handle by yourself if you're not a big guy. So that does help that pop up to hook it into the slots. Okay, so this is the GPT WR3 in the stored position. So this is the combination gate with the 16-foot runner ramp and 80 by 60 level ride platform. So we'll run it down. Now, as you can see, there's little stops. That's where it stops when you have it in the up position. So you grab the handle, have the clearance there. Unfold. And this also has the cart stops. So not something that is normally requested, but if you need them, they're wonderful. So I'll show you that. You just actually put your foot here, pop those up. So if you're using carts, if you're in the entertainment business, this is a wonderful feature. And then what you can do, you can run over them with your cart. Oh, that was a bad demonstration because I'm on the end. If you run over them with the cart in the center here, they'll pop back up. So they'll grab the cart. Okay, so there it is, the GPT WR3. I might as well show it to you in the up position. So see how it levels out. And there you go. So here's the gate in the tuck position. I'll do the final walk around with 26-foot body. Okay, again, this is Tim Lauer with R&R Truck Centers out of Youngstown, Ohio. If you have any questions for me, please subscribe, drop a line, ask me a question through YouTube, and I appreciate you watching our video. Thank you very much.